over alone.
I didn't want to miss a chance to see you.
Then stay just a little longer.
Being here with you, it feels unreal. It's just us, nothing else matters. I can't stop thinking about this moment.
I didn't think being this close could feel so right.
It's just us. No one else matters here.
I've never felt this safe. I never knew someone could make my heart feel this full.
Then maybe it's time you stop hiding it and just feel it. I can't resist you any longer.
Then, let me show you how much I've wanted this. I can't help it. You're driving me crazy.
I just wanna feel you close. Then don't hold back.
Being this close, it feels like nothing else exists. I could stay like this forever, holding you.
I never thought love could feel this calm and powerful.
Sometimes love isn't about rush, it's about connection.
People won't understand us. They will judge us.
Let them talk. My heart chose you.
I don't want to hide how I feel anymore.
Then
Let me show you what I feel.